God for that windshield.
That was the first thing I ordered before we wouldn't come with one.
Well, some people just use it in the summertime. You wouldn't want it in the summer.
What?
You wouldn't want that windshield on in the summertime, would you?
I don't know. A little bit, I ride on the trail, but I'm not leaving on it. I would too.
Kind of takes away some of the fun of it, though. The wind blowing in your hair.
Like a dust blowing in your mouth.
What's the helmet for? I guess you wouldn't need a helmet on this. Got a roll cage. See some guy tipping over though once. It looks like